Right, so this week I'm going to show you the process of making this CNC carving. This is the first proper carving I've ever done on my CNC. So there's mistakes and a few trials and tribulations involved in making this. So I hope you enjoy the process. Hopefully I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, we're all bruised dry, so let's try and take some of these clamps off, shall we? Try. Okay, so we have the G-code loaded up for the first pass with the coarsest cut, and we've drawn the outline with the machine and set the 0. The only problem with this is the piece of wood I have, when we start milling it, I'm not going to have a 0 to reset to, so we're not going to be able to stop it once it's going or reset. So it's kind of a one-shot hit really, so let's hope this works. And if you're wondering why my face is on the router, is so that when I do the time lapse later it stays in focus, because the camera will track my face. Alright, so this happened. It finished and then had a little walk through the model I was less than pleased about. So today we're going to try a different technique. We're going to do parallel passes with a spiral cutter, but I need to remove this block here and get this down a bit further, and then start again. Yay! So after nearly 22 hours of printing, I'm really tired. And it was worth setting up because it nearly drove itself through itself again. Started to go for a little walk, but we have a skull with some words on it. Okay, so I've CNC'd it. It's all printed out. I've cut the edges off and made it all nice and even. There's still some texture on here, which we're going to sand, but more importantly, what we're going to do first today is we're going to burn all of these little grooves so that they show up a lot more clearly. And any burning that spills over these grooves will then sand off, and then sand the smooth finish off all in one go. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use this. This is a soldering iron thing someone lent me. I've never used a dremel thing before, so this should be interesting. This test was my other gas bottle thing. That's the smallest area it can do in one go. So we're going to try see what this one does. See how precisely we can get. Okay, and we go there. So that's a lot smaller, a lot more precise. So we're going to try that.